Patrick and Jim at Pals, and we're continuing on with the GTO. Folks, look at that. We got side glass in. Jim, why isn't it down all the way?
Apparently this door's been replaced
Okay.
and it's got a limiting strap or stopper that goes inside the door.
Okay.
Well,
That prevents the window from going down further.
yes.
Okay. And where is that located?
Well, it's in there, but it's been welded in.
Uh-huh.
And I started looking closer. This is what normally goes in there. That's what's inside there, but it's welded. But if we look at the other door's got two sets of holes. One's lower, one's 1.5 inches lower than the other.
Well, and you can see here that there are holes
Well,
in it,
this
right?
is no, them are spot weld nuts.
Those are spot welds.
Yeah, that's where they welded that in, probably from the factory.
Okay. And so this door was not with this car originally.
I'm assuming not.
Okay. And now we're going to have to change the location of that
Yeah,
stop
I'm gonna have to figure out how, because it doesn't have a flat spot down here
to bring it
to
down.
bring it down. Plus, it's got to be moved over.
You know, folks, when a car is 60 years old, it's hard telling what you will find when you get into it. And it isn't that anybody did anything out of the ordinary. It's just that it went through several hands, several owners, several repairs. And now we're left to figure out what to do with what we have. Car looks great from the outside. We just have to find a way to make the insides work. These are all things that happen with projects. If you've got a project like this 65 GTO and need your glass put in, bring it to Pals. See you soon.